Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, for the first you have to go to the calendar, and calendar we can find here, so click on it. And right now we have to use this marker. As you can see, we can just choose the type of the event here, and right now we have to input the name of our event. Mine will be hard reset, and you can set up the time, reminders, the time zone. You can also add the guest, location and descriptions. If you set up everything, click on this marker in the right upper corner, and as you can see, there is our event. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.